this part because this is growing out, and normally your hair starts to, but probably about mine anyway. Thank you so much for joining my channel, and today I am going to show you a little trick. I know that a lot of you, because of this quarantine, that a lot of people are just going crazy with cutting their hair. I mean, I get really shocked at what people are doing. So I don't claim to be a hairstylist or anything like that. I do have little ways to keep split ends from, because you know, your hair, you got to take care of it, and with split ends and such, you want to make sure, you know, a lot of people just go like this and they just chop. I don't. What I do, which I'm going to show you, is pretty simple. It's very easy. It basically stops the, at least probably 80% of, you know, split ends. But I don't chop, you know, like this, and I just don't cut. No, I don't cut it like that at all. But what I do is I just take like a little bits of my hair, and then I comb it or brush it. I brush it, and then I kind of go like this. I kind of go through, actually like this. I go through it, and then if you see little hairs sticking up, what I do is I go to the light, I go to the light, and I just start trimming. And I don't know if they're split, but you know, you can see where they're coming up because I keep up. But if you start doing it, when I first started doing this, oh my word, I could not believe how many split ends I had. I mean, I was like, I saw them, I was like, wow, I had a lot of them. And of course, the longer your hair is, the easier it is, because you can just, like this, it's like easy. But this is another way that I try to keep my ends in control. Like I said, I was watching some of these girls that that have their long hair and stuff, and they're just like chopping it off because they can't go to the hairstylist. And I know it's hard because you want to go and you can't, you know, because of the, you know, the coronavirus and such. But yeah, it's really terrible. But yeah, you just cut it. I don't cut it way like this, but I just cut it just a little bit out. See? Just like that. And that kind of keeps my split ends down, you know. And I do this weekly, like I haven't done it, you know, this week. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. I just can't believe how many people are just chopping their hair off. I was like, oh my God, just because they can't go to a hairstylist? You're like, no, no, don't do that. You know, I mean, you know, this will be over, and people will get back to getting their hair done, and you know, and everything. But like I said, up here you don't have to worry too much this part because this is growing out, and normally your hair starts to, probably about mine anyway. But my hair, but to here, it's fine, because I've tried to look up here and there's nothing up there. So it grows out, and about to here, and it's probably because of where I start flat iron, you know. So about here is where I check to see if there's any split ends. And if there is, then I just, you know, I chop it off because I want to stop it, you know, so it'll continue growing. And I think that is a contribute, besides, you know, good hair products, you know. But I think that's what it does. Like I said, it's just, and to me, it's like a therapeutic, you know. So I just kind of sit, I was watching TV or something, and I'll just like look at the scissors, and I'll just start, you know, for my weekly trim. I do it about once every week, or I have sometimes 2 weeks. It just depends how bored I am or whatever. But I'll never cut it like I seen on, I don't know if you guys watch it on YouTube. It's just, oh, and on Facebook, I was like, oh my God, people just chopping away, because I think they're bored and they just don't know what to, you know, do, and they just want to chop it off, you know, and then worry about it later, I guess. but no, not me. I'm like, I love my hair too much. I'm not gonna sit there and chop it off, you know, just chop, 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 chop. So I do hope that helps weekly, and you know, or every 2 weeks. It just depends on how busy I am, but it kind of makes my hair a little bit healthier and getting rid of the split ends. So you learn a lot from it, and let me know if it works for you. But this is what I do. Like I said, it's very easy, just like that, and then they'll kind of poke out, and then you just cut them. So I hope this helps, and you guys be safe out there. Be kind, and thank you so much for joining me. Hit the subscribe, the like button if you like this video or any of my videos. Until then, you take care and be safe. Bye-bye.